Angeline Agus. Today we're diving into something super relevant: interactive presentation. It all things to multimedia. Even wonder how your favorite educational videos? Multimedia is simply a combination of different content forms to tell a story or convey information. Think of it as a mixing and matching. Ingredients like text, image, audio, and video to create something powerful and engaging. The core of elements of multimedia. 1. Visual. For each element, show example clearly. Example, text on a screen, a photo appearing, and sound wave animation. A video clip playing, and a simple animation. And we are here of elements of multimedia. 1. Text. This is a foundation, words on screen, like captions, titles, and important facts. Even in a video, clear text help reinforce key message. 2. Image. Still pictures, graphics, charts, and diagram. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. And it's true. Image make complex ideas easy to grasp. 3. Audio. This is everything you hear: voiceovers, background music, and sound effects. Audio sets the mood, explain concepts, and keeps listener engaged. 4. Videos. These are our moving features. Videos are incredibly effective for demonstration, storytelling, and interviews, and showing processes in real life. 5 is animation. Creating the illusion of movement from a still image. This can be a simple motion graphic, animated character, or explaining videos. So now, why is this important for you as a student? Because it has an enhanced engagement. Multimedia makes learning more exciting and less boring. It grabs attention and keeps you hooked far better than just reading a textbook. And it's have improved understanding. Multimedia types appeal to different learning styles. Seeing a concept animated, hearing an explanation, and reading about it helps you grasp complex ideas faster and thoroughly. And it's have a better retention. When you engage multiple senses, your brain processes and remember information more effectively. This means what you learn stick with you longer. That's all for today's multimedia adventures. Remember, the world of multimedia is constantly evolving. So stay curious, keep learning, and thanks for watching.